What's up, YouTube? Here I have a pack of Caps Crunch F2. And I decided to start the whole pack. That's like 26 seeds. They're all looking pretty goddamn good. So, I'm about to put them in keg cups full of cocoa, and I'll be right back. So there we go. I have all 26 seeds put into the keg cups of cocoa, and there's only 25 cups here because two of the seeds that didn't germinate in the paper towels, I threw them both in the same cup. Just figured, okay, whatever, you know, fuck it. If both come up, I'll just separate them. But the work is done. So, guess I'll hold off from making another video, obviously, until things start popping up. And until then, take it easy, everyone.